Most business owners view ChatGPT as a shortcut. They think the goal is to press a button, generate a blog article in 3 seconds, and publish it without thinking. And if you've ever read one of those articles, you already know the problem. They're generic, they're forgettable, and they often damage credibility rather than build it. At CH4B, we don't use AI to replace human expertise. We use AI to help scale human expertise. Today I'm going to show you exactly how we've used custom AI to improve the quality and consistency of our content. When businesses start producing more content, consistency becomes the biggest challenge. Different people write differently. Different agencies interpret the brand differently. Different contributors have different levels of expertise. Before long, your content starts sounding like multiple companies speaking at once. The result is confusion, inconsistency, and a weaker brand. We're CH4B, Central Hub for Business. We're a human-powered growth ecosystem, helping SME owners build profitable, secure, and fulfilling businesses. Today, we're looking at a practical application of AI that improves quality, consistency, and efficiency without removing the human element. Here's the 3-step framework that we use. Step 1, codify the voice. We trained our custom AI using our brand principles, training materials, content frameworks, and examples of best performing content. This allows the system to understand how CH4B communicates. Step 2, quality control. Before content reaches final approval, it's reviewed against our standards. The AI checks the clarity, consistency, relevance, and alignment with our business growth principles. It identifies gaps, weaknesses, and areas for improvement. Step 3, human review. The AI never replaces the final decision maker. Instead, it accelerates the process. Our team receives a stronger draft, clearer recommendations, and can focus their time on strategic judgment rather than basic editing. The result is better content produced more efficiently. The goal isn't to replace expertise. The goal is to make expertise more accessible, scalable, and consistent. So, is your business set up to grow or stuck in survival mode? Take the 3-minute growth scorecard and find out. It's 12 simple questions, an instant personalized growth report. You pinpoint blind spots across 12 proven principles, discover where you're leaking profit, time, or opportunity, and get tailored next steps to cut costs and grow faster. Click the link in the description to take it right now, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.